Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to say quickly, thank you for cooking with me in 2023 and I hope you're going to keep cooking with me in 2024. And also thank you for all the positive comments. Today we will be making this mouth-watering baked lamb chop. Y'all, it is way too cold to fire up the grill, so we're just going to use the oven. So before we move on with the ingredients, make sure y'all wash your hands before y'all come into my kitchen. I have 4 lamb chops. I have some ginger. I have some meat tenderizer, some chipotle salt, some olive oil, some Big Boys Kansas City smoke rub, some white vinegar, some garlic powder, and some dry parsley. I also have an onion that I'm going to finely chop, a piece of green bell pepper that I'm going to finely chop, first thing we need to do is place the lamb chops in a large bowl, then prep them. I'm removing some of the fat on the edges. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had lamb chops. Once I'm done, I'm going to wash off the vinegar water. And now we're ready for the seasonings. I'm starting off with my garlic powder, but you could start with whatever seasoning you want. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used meat tenderizer. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried chipotle salt. So if you made it, let me know in the comments below how yours turned out, but this is how mine turned out. So chefs, we're having our lamb chop with some garlic mashed potatoes, homemade of course, and some green beans. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.